We have gathered here again to protest against oppression. Protest against oppression by Pakistan against the Pashtun minority that has been oppressed ever since the creation of Pakistan. Systematically, we are being killed, tortured. We have been made to flee our houses in poverty. Our schools, our infrastructure, our businesses have been destroyed, plundered. We have been plunged into darkness. And PTM, under the leadership of Manzoor Pashtun, has risen against this injustice. We are making clear to ourselves, to Pashtuns, that Pakistan is the oppressor, that Pakistan is willing, is planning to kill us to the last Pashtun. No Pashtun is safe for the intimidation, for the torture, for the killing, for the oppression of Pakistan. And the PTM is protesting against this, and Pakistan doesn't like this. Even though we are the most peaceful movement in the world, perhaps, I think one of our friends is trying to register register PTM and our peaceful, non-violent demonstrations in the Guinness Book of Records, because we have demonstrated countless of times over the whole world just for our basic human rights. And instead of respecting our peaceful demands, Pakistan intimidates the leaders of PTM.